Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is Asim here, and in this episode of Be the Hacker series, we are going to see again server side includes. So while I was reading the description of the mission, it seemed that there was something different to it, but it seems it was almost the same. So since I have already included the reports in the previous video, so if you haven't checked that out, go check that out. So there would be a link would be in the card above. So I have not included any reports in this one because the purpose was already served in the previous one. So there are two announcements. So I don't usually make them, but it's necessary that I let you know. So the first one being that people have been asking me to make series on bug bounty and such. So now I think that since we have some knowledge about web app security and how the hacker mindset works, so we could delve into that. So I've been making videos on bug bounty series, and the first video you would see on tomorrow. Tomorrow you might see the first video. So that would be a different series than this one. So do stay tuned on the website, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. So whomsoever are interested into bug bounties or cyber security, share it with them. So the second thing I would like to talk about is a subscriber mentioned me earlier that we should start a subreddit of the kind. So I have started a subreddit. It's the same name as the channel. It's HackingSimplified. So the main purpose of starting the subreddit is so that we could have an interactive session. People could ask their doubts, post questions, like post resources from other places. Like instead of just me posting the resources, other people could also post wherever they read, whatever resources they find. That would help like each other, and that would help the community grow and people learn. You could also collaborate with other people on some of the targets that you have. You could share your tips and tricks about bug bounty and such. So that would help everyone. So the Telegram channel stays as it is. I would be posting the links there as well as on the subreddit. However, people could also post their links on subreddit, unlike on the Telegram channel. So that would also add to the benefit of subreddit. There are a lot of other subreddits. Do check them out. I would try to add the links of those in the useful links section of this particular subreddit. If you don't have a Reddit account, do make that. It's similar to any other social media account. However, you would be instantly hooked because there's a lot of nice community around hacking, around pictures, and around a lot of stuff. Whatever interest you have, that would be there. There would be some community or the other that would be serving to that. So without further ado, let's start with the missions. So I've logged into the website. Now let's move on to basic mission 9. The password is again hidden in an unknown file. However, the script that was previously used to find it has some limitations. Requirements: knowledge of SSI, Unix directory structure. So it's the same as it was in the previous one. So let's check this out. So network security Sam is going down with the ship. He is determined to keep obscuring the password file. So I would like to mention that obscurity is not security, as we have seen in the previous mission as well, where Sam failed to secure his file through obscurity. So this time the file is saved in the home directory of this particular mission. In the last mission, the previous mission, however, in his attempt to limit people to using server-side include to display the directory listing to level 8 only, he had mistakenly screwed up somewhere. Then there is a way to get the obscured password level 9 file. So this level seems a lot trickier than it actually is, and it helps to have an understanding of how the script validates the user's input. The script finds the first occurrence of this character and looks to see what follows directly after it. So here we don't have anything, so probably we would go to the 8th mission and do the directory listing thing to get the password of the level 9. So if you remember the command that we used, it was this. So instead of the 8th directory, we would give the directory for this. So this should work out, I guess. Let's check. If it doesn't work out, we'll try something different. So it seems it's working fine. I'm not sure what they were talking with, like it's a lot trickier. It was quite easy. So that's that. I don't think it was any harder than that, right? I'm not sure what they meant when they said that it was a lot trickier. So thank you guys.